Hey guys, a customer has just dropped his Xbox One S off to me and he wants a HDMI port repair. So if we look under the microscope now for the HDMI port, and this is the said port and it looks absolutely fine. There's no wiggle in it. But when you plug in the HDMI lead, it's a bit dodgy. So there's probably some loose joints in there. So let's take it apart and have a look. Right, just before I start doing this HDMI port repair, I am going to brush the board down, so I'll be back in a second. Now this is looking a lot better. Let's inspect under the microscope on the HDMI port. Huh, some sort of stuff going on there. Don't know what this is. Is it just loads of dust? Ooh, that's probably what's causing it. Is that corrosion or something? Yeah, it doesn't look good, does it? So I think that might be the cause. So just going to take this USB off, HDMI port off, and let's clean up the holes and everything. So I'm just putting it at the edge of my desk. So it's going to be 480 degrees at 8 out of 8. This is now ready for a new port. And I've got one right here. I'm just going to tin up the leg so it has a better bond. Lovely. Now again, I am going to lower my temperature to 440 degrees this time because we've got leaded solder on there. Add a bit of flux, only a small amount, not too much. That should be suffice. And let's heat it up and then put the port on. So let me clean it up, put it back together, and then we'll test it. Okay, so that's fully put back together again. Now let's test it one more time. Three, two, one. Okay, we're on. We have sound and display. You can't hear the sound. Do the wiggle test. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Do, 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 do. Yep, that's perfectly fine. Brilliant. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and like, and I'll see you in the next video.